Now coming on to the fourth shape, you see it has got one, two, three, four, five. Five sides, and it has got how many corners? One, two, three, four, five. It has got five corners or five vertices. Singular of vertices is vertex. Now this shape is called a pentagon. Pentagon has got five sides and five vertices. I am not talking about the equality of sides. Just remember that it has got five sides. If all the sides are equal, that is called a regular pentagon. So we are increasing the number of sides. Three sides triangle, four sides is called square. If all the sides are equal, and if only the opposite sides are equal, that is called a rectangle. Five-sided polygon is called a pentagon. All these are called polygons. All these are the names of polygonal shapes. Next, we have got a shape with, see, it has got a six sides. One, two, three, four, five, six. So six sides and hopefully six corners. Let's see, one, two, three, four, five, six. So six corners are there, and this shape is called a hexagon. 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 Next, this is a shape with seven sides. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So seven sided, and two, three, four, five, six, seven. So seven vertices. This shape is called a heptagon. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. We have another shapes in the series. Heptagon is seven sided. Now we have got one shape with eight sides. That's third side, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eight. There are eight sides over here and hopefully eight corners. Third corner, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight. So this is a shape with eight sides and eight vertices, and this is called a octagon. These are the basic shapes which are important for your class, and these may be coming very often. You may have to know the name of these shapes to answer certain questions. So we have taken care of shapes which are having sides: triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. Now there are certain which are formed by curved line. These are the shapes formed by curved lines, and you can say that they have got numerous number of sides, or you can say they have no number of sides. You cannot see anything straight over here. So they are formed by curved line with no straight sides. Curved line, there are no straight sides. No straight sides. And this shape what you are seeing over here is called a, this is called a circle. 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 Let me write it again. Circle. What is important about circle is that, suppose this is the center of the circle, and what is important here to know that the distances from center to the border of the circle is same everywhere. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, then everywhere if you measure from center to any portion of the side or the border, the distance is same. If the distance is 2 centimeter over here, it will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Everywhere it is same. So this is called a circle. So the third thing that you should know about circle is that distance from center to anywhere on the border is same. So this is the thing we know about circle, and this is important to answer questions in olympiads or anywhere you come across questions related to circle. Now this shape is also formed through curved line, here also you cannot see any straight lines, so no straight lines over here, also no straight line or straight side, and it is formed using curved line. The only difference between circle and this shape is that the distances from center to the border are not same. You see, this distance is smaller than this distance. So if it is say 2 centimeter, this may be 4 or 5 centimeter. And regarding these shapes, there are mathematical equations guiding these shapes that you will learn in your higher classes. For class 2 or class 3, it is sufficient to know that this shape is called an oval. This shape is called an oval or an ellipse, ellipse, ellipse. So this is something which you should know. This is important because there are questions related to these shapes in exams, and therefore you have to memorize or practice questions till you get used to these shapes. Now again, let us recollect what we have learned. These are two-dimensional shapes. Why? Because these can be drawn on paper. This has got two dimensions. First shape is triangle with three sides. Then we have got the square with four sides, all equal four sides. Rectangle, only the opposite sides are equal, having four sides and four corners. So three sides, four sides, we have got two shapes to know. Then comes five sides, five vertices is called pentagon. Six sides, six corners is called a hexagon. Seven sides, seven vertices is heptagon. Eight sides, eight vertices is an octagon. And there are shapes with no sides, or they are formed using curved line. The circle, you can just understand which is a circle by its symmetricity or by its symmetrical nature. So it's symmetric, it's very easy to visualize. The visual, you can see that this is a circle because it looks symmetric. Then we have got the oval. At this point of time, let me tell you that suppose this is a circle, and this is the center point, and if you draw a straight line through the center touching the opposite borders, then you can see that the upper portion, this one is the upper portion and this one is the lower portion. This upper portion are and lower portions are symmetric across this line. This can be visually seen. Now any portion of the side across this line, suppose this is the portion I am talking about, this whole portion, this portion is half part of this circle. It is one half part of this circle. This portion is called a semicircle. So this thing also you should know. For example, let me try to draw a semicircle. Suppose you are given a shape like this. Not very perfect, but it can help you understand that this type of shape, which is half of a circle, this half of a circle is called a semicircle. So please go through this video once more so that you can have a practice of the shapes, and these shapes are important to know. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk.